Hey there, welcome to TechWorldGBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you love staying updated with the latest in technology, gadgets, and tutorials, you're in the right place. Today, we will talk about AI's impact on humans and how it is a slow poison to humans. AI's impact on humans can indeed be viewed as a form of slow poison in specific contexts, especially when it leads to cumulative, subtle, and often unintended consequences. This metaphor is used to describe how certain AI applications can, over time, erode personal well-being, mental health, social structures, and economic security, often without users fully realizing the impact. Here's a deeper look into how AI can have such slow poison effects. 1. Social and psychological effects. Problematic algorithms. Social media platforms powered by AI tend to push content that keeps users engaged, often sensational, emotionally charged, or highly polarizing. These algorithms have been shown to contribute to anxiety, depression, and reduced self-esteem, especially among teenagers and young adults. Example: the phenomenon of doom scrolling, where people are caught in an endless loop of negative news, exacerbates stress and mental health challenges. This kind of exposure is akin to a slow poison, subtly affecting mental well-being day after day. Long-term impact: a continuous erosion of mental health across societies can lead to a generation that struggles with anxiety, depression, and social isolation. 2. Economic displacement and job automation. Job loss. Automation powered by AI is replacing certain types of jobs, especially those involving repetitive tasks. While AI creates new opportunities, displaced workers often face challenges in transitioning to these roles due to skill mismatches. Example: in industries like retail, transportation, and manufacturing, AI and robotics are replacing human jobs at a significant rate, leading to unemployment or underemployment in communities reliant on these jobs. Long-term impact. A slow poison effect is felt as workers struggle financially, often with limited social support, creating a ripple effect on families and communities. Economic instability contributes to stress, poorer health outcomes, and societal inequality. Privacy, erosion, and surveillance. AI systems collect vast amounts of personal data, from browsing behavior to location tracking, and even biometric information. This erosion of privacy can gradually impact people's sense of safety and autonomy. For example, AI-powered smart home devices and facial recognition systems track users' movements and interactions, leading to concerns over surveillance creep, where people feel constantly monitored. Over time, privacy erosion creates an environment of distrust and discomfort. Like a slow poison, this surveillance-based approach to AI damages personal autonomy, making people feel more restricted in their own homes and daily lives. AI-driven misinformation and trust erosion. AI-powered tools can create convincing fake news, deepfake videos, and other misinformation, making it hard for people to distinguish between truth and fiction. This can have a destabilizing effect on trust in media and public institutions. During elections or public health emergencies, the rapid spread of AI-generated misinformation leads people to make decisions based on false information. When people lose trust in media, government, and even each other, social cohesion breaks down. This slow poison effect erodes the foundation of democratic societies, contributing to polarization, hostility, and civic disengagement. Increased dependence and skill erosion. As more people rely on AI for everyday decisions, from driving directions to medical diagnoses, there's a risk of skill erosion, where critical thinking and decision-making abilities weaken. In healthcare, AI systems are used to assist diagnostics, but over-reliance could mean that some doctors rely less on their own judgment, making them less effective over time if AI is flawed. This can become a slow poison as human skills and knowledge degrade over time. In critical situations, the lack of human expertise could lead to suboptimal decisions with severe consequences. Bias and inequality reinforcement. AI systems can inadvertently reinforce biases present in training data, leading to discrimination in areas like hiring, loan approval, and law enforcement. This has a long-term effect of perpetuating social inequalities. For example, hiring algorithms might favor certain demographic groups based on biased historical data, creating a system that inadvertently discriminates against minorities or other marginalized groups. This results in a slowly widening inequality gap, where some groups are systematically disadvantaged. Over time, this poison permeates society, reinforcing divisions and fostering social injustice. Can AI truly be called a slow poison? While AI itself isn't malevolent, its unchecked applications and lack of ethical oversight can lead to slow, harmful consequences. This slow poison effect emerges because the harms are often subtle and accumulate over time. Many people are unaware of AI's impact on their lives. Society becomes accustomed to these effects, gradually accepting them as the new normal. Conclusion: AI can certainly be likened to a slow poison in cases where it harms mental health, erodes privacy, disrupts job markets, and amplifies inequality. The gradual, often invisible impact of AI-driven systems on individual and societal well-being calls for careful regulation, ethical oversight, and awareness so that AI benefits society without undermining the very foundations of human well-being and dignity. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.